Welcome, guys. Happy New Year. The first video I'm actually doing, I was just like one of the biggest projects, one really interesting project, I would say, right? That I've been working out during the last 3 months, which is the end of tenancy cleaning. And then, which is exciting, is we've been testing how can you maximize CCC chances. This is right now when I'm doing the search. I'm based in Canary Wharf, so this is the same. You can see the same number. It's appearing twice because we have a Google business listing for Canary Wharf with a physical address, and also we have the official the headquarters address, which is the taking over the overall London. So end of tenancy cleaning, which is pretty good, like to ranking like this, and taking the top two position, this kind of off, which is a pretty central hub in London, which is, I would say, like a lot of apartments and things are based. So it really worked. And end of tenancy cleaning, this was been my goal. I was even thinking, can I really get even this wise? So likewise, now we actually are trying to open up different locations. The client is trying to work out 20 physical locations for their services, and then get the same results for the end of tenancy cleaning. Also, when it comes to local, which is a core, which we really want to get over here. These boys are there for a while, and they have a good rating. But we're already climbing here as well, which is number eight, which is pretty good, pretty good, pretty positive. And the two keywords we are going after are end of tenancy cleaning, and also if you just say okay, let's say end of tenancy cleaning London, right? So if we say end of tenancy cleaning London, then also because we're searching from Canary Wharf, you can see the London page comes up number one. This is pretty much number one on all across the London, which is amazing, like pretty much all across the main London area. And then also it shows up this option, which gives, if you click this one, it actually takes to the Canary Wharf page. It takes to the home page, which is the pretty exciting part. And then organically you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The home page is at number 6, and which is pretty exciting. So like I said, this takes to the home page, and this takes to the Canary Wharf page, which is like if people come, you give the location relevancy, and then that's just how it works. So pretty exciting. One of the really lovely projects we've been doing, and end of tenancy cleaning website, and it's nice. What we also decided was we decided to get the pricing page, and then when what happened this morning when I was looking for end of tenancy cleaning book online, I was getting this table, which is pretty exciting. That means the brand is about to take over the web. Like when you get something like this, people pretty much notice it. It's subconsciously get tracked, and it just get registered in the brain, and so which is really exciting. What happened? We put the pricing box. We created this pricing table, and we embedded it, which is with the option of people can book online directly, and which is pretty exciting, So end of tenancy cleaning, our goal to make sure it's the to build the greatest end of tenancy brand, even if you just sue EOT Cleaning, which is a pretty new, EOT end of tenancy cleaning cleaning. The Logesh was saying, wow, that's crazy, because I just dropped that message for him, so he's also saying. So when we are starting, it wasn't like that, and then it's like picking up very nicely. The brand is taking over most of the first page. It's EOT Cleaning, and just a couple of more portions. I need to push these portions away and try to bring in. It's because like I'm assuming Google is identifying EOT end of tenancy cleaning, but end of tenancy cleaning, which is being taken pretty good. So exciting news, and you guys can see hot offers page, very nicely built. We embedded the video.
What is up, guys? We are EOT Cleaning Services, and we are the top end of tenancy cleaning service.
I'm going to do some videos, and that's about it. End of tenancy cleaning SEO project, which is very going very well. Our goal is to reach the top and to make sure EOT Cleaning becomes the one and only, the best end of tenancy cleaning services provider. And to be honest, guys, like you guys gotta call and see how it actually go. Like you seeing hot offers, you can call up. Miles would answer the phone, right? That's the level. You see the people who are the brands and the thing. Go to the Facebook page. You can see how it's all going. The Medium channels, everything is going interesting. Looks lovely, right? So It's very branded, and the new set of photos are coming up soon. And I'm leaving it to you like this. And if you're one of the people, I would highly recommend you're having your flat, you need cleaning services, you're trying to leave your property, EOT Cleaning. Remember, EOT Cleaning. So just got a message from Ivan, the owner of EOT Cleaning as well. So I'm actually going to share this video with him as well, and about to call him up and go and meet and talk some good ideas.